Hi, I'm Bill Earhart at Estate and Elder Law Services. I have an important message for veterans who may be considering applying for veterans benefits. January 2015, the Veterans Administration proposed radical changes to the way assets are preserved and benefits administered under the Veterans Administration. On September 18th, they suddenly announced they're going to make those new rules effective on October 18th. That means if you want to file an application for benefits under the current favorable rules, you have to have your application filed before October 18th. If you file your application on October 18th or afterwards, you're under the new rules. How do the new rules change things? The new rules set a definite asset limit, which is going to be $123,600. The way they calculate asset limits, they take your actual assets and they add your annual income into that. So, for example, if you have assets of $120,000 and your annual income is $20,000, the VA will consider your net worth $140,000, notwithstanding the fact that you usually spend your income as soon as it comes in. Let me give you an example. Let's suppose you're a wartime veteran, you're unmarried, you have a house, and you have about $250,000 in liquid assets. And let's say your income is about $3,000 a month, and you're paying caretakers about $4,000 a month. So under the current rules, we could create a trust, put your house and about $200,000 into that trust. We could leave $50,000 out. You could apply for veterans benefits and receive about $1,800 a month to go ahead and help pay for your caretakers. The beneficiaries of that trust could be your children, whoever you designate, could not be yourself. Under the new rules, if you were to create a trust or if you were to give away any amount of money, the Veterans Administration would impose a penalty on you. So it works something like this. October 18th comes around. You have $200,000. The VA says you can only have $123,600. You give away $30,000. You apply for the veterans benefits. The Veterans Administration looks at the transfer that you made and they divide it by the amount of the benefit that you would receive. So if you gave away $20,000 and your monthly benefit was going to be about $2,000 a month, $2,000 would be divided into $20,000 and you would be ineligible to receive veterans benefits for 10 months. If you happen to be a widow, your monthly benefit would be less. Let's say about $12,000 a month. So if you gave away $20,000, $1,200 would be divided into $20,000, and your penalty would be about 17 months. Very unfair, but that's how the rules are going to be administered. Now, I'm a certified elder law attorney, and I'm also certified to represent veterans in front of the Veterans Administration. We have several staff members who are trained in Veterans Administration law and filing applications. We have the capacity to go ahead and help you file your application and do the appropriate planning under the current rules. And we can help you get your application filed before October 18th. But if you want us to help you do that, then you have to contact us immediately. We've set aside time and capacity to go ahead and help you get qualified.